Hi everybody, today we're going to have a quick look at this bicycle bell from Bbb. It's an easy fit deluxe bicycle bell, and it's for small handlebars to oversized handlebars up to 31.8 millimeters. This bell comes in different type of colors, and it comes along with two O-rings, rubber O-rings, depending on what size on the handlebar you have. And let's check out the sound. There you go. A nice medium high sound. Quite cozy and nice type of sound. Nothing like my air sound. So let's see how much it weighs. 30 grams with a bigger rubber ring. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you soon again. Bye bye.